Hi, this is Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Today's Canva Quick Tip is looking at templates. So we'll go over to my Canva screen and we'll take a look. What I wanted to look at today were the templates that are on the sidebar of your home screen where it says templates just here. And I'm going to click on these. If you're not confident about your designing, this is a great way to make first steps into being your own graphic designer. Down the side, you have all the categories. First one is business. Then you've got social media, where you've got every kind of posts that you could possibly want. Then you can move on to video, then on to marketing materials. And then you have custom print, a printing service, which I'll cover in another video. Cards and invitations, and education. Then if you carry on down here, you can choose different kinds of styles and different colors and themes. Let's show this in action. And I'm going to, since we do so much in social media, look at my usual Instagram post, and these are the post templates. And you can see there are 397,860 templates. I have to say a lot of those will be pro templates because you have a maximum over the whole templates of a free Canva account of 250,000. But 250,000 is still a large amount for you to get going. Again, you can filter your selection along here. See, animated Instagram post, Black Lives Matter. And let's look at summer because it is summer and it is very hot. And you can see this one's a pro because it has a crown there. But a lot of these are available for a free account. This nice summer vibes is a free. And what you can then do is take these and then add your own elements to them. You can filter these further by moving down the side. So you can see we've got theme summer here, and we've got 6,200 of those. And then I can filter it by color. We have a summary color theme of orange. There's 800 post templates in orange for summer. These are my selection. And you can see it's definitely all the kind of things that you could just use as a base and then adapt to your own branding. And then you can filter it further. Let's do happy and see what we get. Now we filter this down to 112, which will make your decision easier. I do like the Welcome Summer one. It is a pro one. But some of these other ones, simple ones, are very nice as well. But they just give you these extra elements that you can use. But if you have to design them yourself, you might not be so happy doing it. This is an animated one, which is really fun. So I'm going to click on this one. I can click on here, and it'll allow me to customize the template. Now it's opened up on my design screen, and I'm just going to make one very simple change, 25% off. So I'm going to go to my brand kit and I'll add my brand to this, which I'll do in this color so it stands out a little more. I would obviously change this to my website. Not sure I quite like that spread out spacing. So I'm going to go to the spacing area, reduce the list of spacing because I have such a long website name. It takes up too much space. And I'll just make sure that's lined up. And that's it. And it would have taken me forever to find all these different elements and change it. It's a fantastically quick way to create a social media post using one of the standard templates in Canva. Hope that helps, and I'll catch up with you next week.